Boiler drum. So you are sending to boiler drum. From there through down comer tubes, the water is coming down, and there is a circulation pump as per requirement. You can run it. So from there it is coming to bottom invader main, and from there through the water wall, water is passing, and during that passage they are adding, heat is added, and they are becoming water steam mixture. And this water steam mixture is coming to the drum again. There it is getting separated in the drum turbo separators, and once they are separated, this saturated dry steam is coming out to the rather tubes, top steam pipes, and from there it is going to the LTSH, low temperature superheaters or primary superheaters. From the primary superheater, in the convective pulse where it is getting heated, it is going to the secondary superheater, primary platen superheater. So from here, this is going to the primary platen superheater. This is your platen superheater. There it is getting heated, and after heating, there may be requirement of spray water control in between. So doing that, from there it is going to the final superheater, and final superheater inlet header and outlet header. From there to the main steam line it is going. Okay, and once this is utilized in the HP turbine, the exhaust of HP turbine is taken by cold reheat line. Through the cold reheat line, it is coming back to the boiler for re-superheating or reheating. This is primary reheating, then secondary reheating. After that, through hot reheat line, it is going back to the intermediate pressure turbine. So this is your water steam